This is Jesus Manuel Mena-Garza for RV and Travel Adventures. Hope you're doing fantastic wherever you're at. Today I'm at my RV thinking about my solar boondocking options. I've done a lot of research, just like a lot of you out there, regarding solar and taking advantage of solar power systems to allow you to boondock for an extensive period of time. As long as you have some water in your tanks and some solar on your roof, you can stay out there for a week, maybe two, if you're judicious with your water usage. But the electricity coming from your, let me put my hand up. The electricity coming from the solar panels should be able to, if you have enough, again, what's enough? Some say thousands. I say about 500 amp hours. I mean watts rather, of solar. I already have 200 amp hours of lithium iron phosphate batteries, but I'm thinking about adding another couple panels. I have one 190, add a couple 200s, and call it good. So 190 times 3, whatever that is. I think it's 560, if my math is correct. I could be wrong. Check my math, please. So that should be able to power my batteries for quite a while, as long as I'm just watching a little bit of TV and I'm not using the electric heater and I'm not doing something crazy. It should be able to power my refrigerator, no problems, and of course my various lights, like this one. Let me turn it off. There we are. So the plan is, I'm thinking about some ideas now. I'm thinking about all kinds of crazy ideas. One idea, eventually, if I get some friends to help me out, I would move my my lithium batteries from my tongue box to the pass-through or under the bed. That's a plan. That's an idea. But in the interim, I'm thinking about, let me turn around the camera. I'm thinking about replacing this in its same position with MPPT, because this is a piece of shit. This is an actual piece of shit Go Power PWM charge controller. Of course, Rockwood now has some better options. Of course, they're charging you 2-3 times more than what they're worth for the options. But I'm thinking about replacing that. Of course, it would come out a little bit if I put a very nice, charge controller there, But I'm thinking about maybe putting a little door here, a little door to cover that, so I can open it up and I could have some odds and ends there lying there, and I would have that covered. Also, I can put some, maybe I'll put some sort of material, a little area here. There's these runners, or I don't know what you call them, that you can have 2 sliding doors, and that'll cover it up, because the MPPT charge controller has wires coming from the bottom, and it's not from the back, it's from the bottom all the time. It's always on the bottom, which is a drag, and I do not want to see that exposed. I'd rather have it hidden behind a door or a panel or something like that. So what do you think? Let's go on the roof and let's take a peek at how much real estate I might have on the roof. Let's go up there. There's my 190 watt Go Power solar panel. I'm thinking about putting one panel, there's already one panel there, but I'm thinking I'll put another panel over here on the left and one down here, this ways. This one will be this ways, that one will be that ways, just like this one. So 3 of them. And I think the term is in parallel. And there's the gland, the entry point. I'm trying to figure out if I have to have the same distance. All the cables have to be equidistant for each panel. They have to be the same distance. So the ones over here are going to be obviously further away. What do you think? So here I am on my dusty little travel trailer, trying not to fall off. This old dude, this over 70-year-old dude. So what do you think? Again, one panel 2-panel, 3-panel. My system, the wiring that I have down here, can handle about 600 watts of solar. So it's going to be about 560, so that should be no problem. According to the folks at Rockwood. Again, if you have any suggestions, ideas, recommendations, I would greatly appreciate it. Leave your kind and friendly comments, suggestions, ideas below. I would greatly appreciate it. Muchas gracias. As I showed in a previous video, this is my new tongue box. It's a Hallmaster, the small tongue box. It fits this way. I had another tongue box that I was considering, but it was too long. So I have my two AoLithium 100 amp hour 12 volt lithium iron phosphate batteries in there, and they are operating smoothly like they always have. Very nice. If I had a person who actually knew what they were doing as compared to me, I would move my batteries into my pass-through storage and put the MPPT charge controller in my storage. Apparently the wires come into an appropriate position where I can connect them to the charge controller somewhere inside there, or somewhere outside there that can access inside there. But my brain obviously does not understand those complex issues. Hope you're doing fantastic. Let me turn around the camera. Thanks for watching my video. Hope you found it informative. I'm trying to, again, plan for the future, just like many of you out there. Hope you're doing fantastic wherever you're at. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. I would greatly appreciate it. Muchos gracias. And please ring the bell for future notifications. Thank you very much again. And please leave your kind and friendly and brilliant, obviously very brilliant comments and suggestions below. Abajo. Muchísimos gracias. Hope you're doing fantastic. Happy camping this summer. This should be a lot of fun this spring and summer and fall, and for some of you more adventurous types, winter camping. Again, I'm in Fort Worth, Texas. Hope you're doing fantastic wherever you are at. Gracias. Adios. Bye-bye.